if you can love you when you're at your worst, meaning this might be my worst, like I'm overweight, I'm fat, okay, I get it. If I can love me at this weight, then I can love myself at my best weight. And hi guys, it's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a little bit casual because it is more of like kind of like a fitness vlog slash what I've eaten, and honestly some real talk and some woman talk, because I know that I'm not the only woman that deals with this, and I'm going to say something about myself today that I don't feel like I've said in a long time. So this is going to be like my first time sharing this with y'all, and honestly it's kind of like, yeah. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I am doing something a little bit different, bringing a little bit of my struggle with you guys, and it is my weight. I've talked about this on my other channel, but it's just been a struggle. I had a baby. I'm nursing currently right now too. I had a baby 8 months ago, and it's been a big struggle trying to get rid of the baby weight. Initially, like, it came off, all of it went off in the first 3 to 4 weeks. In fact, I lost like 80% of my weight. No, that doesn't make any sense. Percentage-wise, it doesn't make any sense. It's a quarter. What's a quarter? Yeah, I lost 75% of the weight in the first week, and then the last 10 pounds took like 3 weeks to come off. And then it's just been a struggle. It's gone down and then it's come back up, and now I'm still like 7 pounds heavier than I was back then. And then you know, a month after I gave birth. So I'm just struggling. I think it's my eating for sure, because and being active. My eating for sure. Overall, I eat pretty well, but I ruin it by eating just like little snacks here all the time, and I need to stop eating them snacks. The things that get me are these granola bars from Costco. I'll show them to you guys, but they're really good because I figure it's oats, and I think it's got honey, and it also has dark chocolate, so it can't be that bad. Well, the thing is, one granola bar leads from 1 to 2 to sometimes 3 or 4 a day. And then the grams of sugar in there is the thing that I generally watch. And it's like I think it's like 6 milligrams of sodium per one granola bar. So if I'm eating 4 a day, that's 24. I don't drink soft drinks or juices or anything like that, so I don't have to account for that in that. I don't have to worry about sugars in other areas. But obviously, when your body, anything else, if you eat too many carbs and your body doesn't need any more of it, obviously it turns into sugar. So that's what is adding up in my department. So I gotta watch it. And this girl nurses a lot. I'm currently nursing as we're speaking, and I just feel depleted sometimes. So I'm just trying to do the best I can. I've got a treadmill in my house. I don't know why I'm not on it. So I'm gonna start doing that because I realize that my body needs to do something. So lately I've been doing planks, and which I'll show you me doing. What I try to do is 3 different sets of planks. I try to hold it for like a minute each. I didn't really time it, but I probably should. I count, and yeah, I do that 3 times, and then I try to do the exercises you guys would have seen me doing. Leg raises and squats, and drinking a gallon of water. That's been my biggest thing. This is my gallon. This is how I fill it up. I try to fill it up all the way to the top, but this is my 4th day in a row drinking it, and I'm honestly going to tell you that I've seen a difference in my body drinking this much water already. Overall, I've noticed like I feel like it's just flushing my body, and I'm of the salt, the sodium, and overall I definitely see like myself kind of shrinking down. I think I'm like losing the water weight that my body was retaining. So I decided to film myself doing the planks for you guys. I did not do it in the exact same day, because on that day when I tried to do it initially, you guys can see that I got interrupted by the baby. So I ended up doing my planks at like midnight on my way to bed. So today, the next day, as I'm editing this video, I interjected some planks to show you what I do. I do it twice, and in fact usually 3 times, and I try to hold it for about 30 seconds to a minute. Please excuse my baby snack underneath the bench. Yeah, mom life. Also, as you guys can see, the place that I need to work on the most is the top, because I'm top heavy from the midsection up, so I definitely need to be doing these planks. So for breakfast this morning, I'm just having the PC Blue Menu granola along with some coconut silk milk, and that's my go-to right now. So the reality of this video is that like I've had to come to this dreaded conclusion, and I have to say something about myself that I didn't want to say, and it's that I'm fat, y'all. There, I said it. Technically, it's not the first time that I'm saying it, because I said it in this same video that I'm trying to make. I tried to make it about 10 minutes ago, but it didn't work out. And I said it then. And that was for the very first time, okay? This is the first time that I've been saying that about myself. I usually try to use kind of words like I'm overweight, or, you know, I just... things like that, like I need to get in shape. I try to say it back a different way. And the reason why I think that way is because I am a girl mom. I have 4 girls, guys. So I have to make sure that I protect my girls, because in the society that we live in, where outer appearances are so catered to or so focused upon, especially weight, us women we're subjected to the whole, oh, we gotta lose weight, oh, we gotta be thin, oh, we gotta be skinny, like skinny is the new look, right? So because of that, I made sure I do my best to try to protect my girls, and I try to always educate them and say, if you can love you when you're at your worst, meaning this might be my worst, like I'm overweight, I'm fat, okay, I get it. If I can love me at this weight, then I can love myself at my best weight. And so that is my motto. That's what I always tell them. And so that I always, in order to speak light into them and tell them those kind of things, I myself have to believe it, because I do want to be a good model for my kids. And that's how kids learn, through modeling, not just through talk, because talk is cheap, but through modeling. So I ensure that I try to set that same example. And so I don't say those things about myself. I love me, and I love me at every stage. Right now, it's my health that is a concern. I don't want to get pregnant with excess pounds, and I also have to watch like blood pressure stuff, because that is like a genetic history thing in my family. So I've just got to be careful, you know, about that. I want to remain healthy. So with that said, today's video is not just this. It's not just me sitting down, but you're going to see clips of me working out. You're going to see clips of my food, because today, y'all, today marks the day when I'm making a change. There are some changes that I've been making, and they were slow. They were gradual. So you'll see what I've been doing in here. And I'm not going to lie, I've got a home gym. I've got an elliptical. I've got a bike. I've got a treadmill. I've got a ton of DVDs, I've got bands, I've got weights, I've got it all. So I have no excuses. I even have a gym membership. I legit have no excuses to be fat. No excuses. I don't even know what my excuse was before. I think I was still like, oh, I'm breastfeeding, so my body's going to hold on to the weight. But honestly, I find that those are excuses the more I think about it. So I'm not going to go there. So anyways, I hope you guys can understand. Hope you guys can understand where I'm coming from. And you guys, as women, share with me in this video about, just your journey, how you lost the weight, maybe how you feel, and just little tips, any little tips or advice that you have to give to me, please share it down below. I'm going to be doing these Fitness Friday vlogs where I do touch base, and I talk to you guys, and I let you know where I've been, how how it's been, show you some clips of things, maybe what I've eaten over the time, touch base and let you know how much weight I've lost, and yeah, and such. So if you guys want to see more and hear more about this, comment down below, and I definitely will make some more videos talking and sharing my story. Also, I have shared my personal story on here, and I know that a lot of you guys may not have seen it. So I'm going to be retouching based on some of those things to just kind of let you know a little bit about me, especially for a lot of you guys who are new here. So with I'm going to just shut up now and roll into the fitness vlog, okay? All right. So now I'm making my lunch, guys. I am making some fried eggs on top of toast with avocado. This is my favorite lunch, and it's easy. I know frying the egg is not necessarily the best for you, but honestly, I find it more digestible for me than boiling them. Though I do like a hard-boiled egg, I do prefer it this way. Now, the bread that I'm using is a bread that I just found at Costco. If I can find a clip, I'll interject it right here. But it is pretty healthy. It has 240 milligrams of sodium per 2 slices, y'all. And that's something that I definitely have to watch. I love the taste and the texture. And yeah, I just don't feel like I'm missing out on anything having like a healthier bread. So I did sneak a little bit of butter on my toast, y'all. I did. Hope it's not the end of the world, but we'll see what happens come next week Friday when I do come to you with measurements and weights. I realized I didn't show you guys my snacks in between meals. So in the morning between my breakfast and my lunch, I did have an apple and a banana. And in between my afternoon snack, I did have blueberries along with a yogurt. Other snacks that I do have sometimes are these sweet organic beetroot crackers. They look like that, and they're from Costco. They are pretty good. You can have 16 of them. They have low sodium, but overall they're healthy for you. Also, I realized I didn't film for dinner. Dinner was basically this. This is an older picture, but I did have everything here except the collard greens. And instead of fish, I did have chicken. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this, what I ate in a day, postpartum edition. Comment down below and let me know how much you enjoyed this and if you want to see more. So thanks for watching, guys, and much love.